Hi everyone, it's Damien for another video. I'm getting back to it. So I was last night. I was trying to figure out this race association, and I said I was about to write it down, but I didn't. And I'm just gonna try to do it while while I'm actually recording. Um, basically, so we have two tables, right? Two entities. So a contract table and a customer table. So the customer for me should be like on their own. Like you should be able to create a customer without like um how to say without link them to a contract. Like a customer, for me, in my mind, it shouldn't have like this customer is related to. I mean, you can say that like in English, but when you actually design it, for me, it doesn't make sense to have a customer like linked to a contract. I mean, when you're talking about the customer standpoint, when you talking about the contract standpoint, a contract should have a customer. You cannot basically create a contract without a customer. There is no sense of making a contract without customer, right? But a customer, you should be able to just create a customer without involving a contract with those customer, right? So for me, a contract has one and only one customer. You cannot actually say like a contract should be between like more than one customer. I mean, you could, but like just to keep it simple, you're just gonna do a contract with for that customer with that customer. So it should be has one relationship. And when I look at that here, so when I look at the as one relationship, um, it's actually weird because it's actually putting the ID of the supplier into the account. But me, I should do the reverse. I mean, saying like I should be able to put the ID of the how to say the ID of the customer inside the contract. So yeah, the ID of the customer, let's say that this is the customer, this is like the contract. The ID of the customer should be there. Oh, no, actually, I'm always getting confused with that, man. The ID of the customer, supplier account, blah blah blah. The ID of the customer should be no, the ID of the, oh my god, let's see the belong relationship. Okay, so a belong to association set up a one-to-one connection with another model such that each instance of the declaring model belong to So such as each instance of the declaring model belongs to one instance of that. Okay. So a contract doesn't make sense to say like a contract belong to a customer. A contract, no, a customer belong to a contract. You could actually say that, but it's actually weird also saying it. So I should be able to do a book. This contract, a contract belong to a customer. A customer, no, a contract. A contract belong to a customer. Yeah, it makes sense. A contract belong to a customer, and a customer belong to a contract. No, a particular contract belong to a customer. Man, I'm getting so confused here. So let's try that actually. So let's say you have books. Books belong to a particular author, right? And a contract belongs to a particular customer. And the customer may have different, yeah, that makes sense. So the ID of the author should be into the book table. So if a contract belong to a customer, a contract belong to a customer, the ID of the customer should be into the contract. Yeah, that's what I was saying since the beginning. The ID of the customer should be into the contract. So I should do something like belong to. So let's say that I want to add, like, let's looking at that migration stuff, because I think that one also confused me when I was doing it probably. So let's say that I don't even know where is it. Foreign key, join table. I don't even know. Is it that? No, I was actually. So add foreign key. So this adds a new foreign key to the author and let's go ahead. Yeah, so this is what I should be doing. But I should generate the. Is there a migration for it? Like generate creating paper writing. If I do that, like generate migration, generate migration rails for basically adding a foreign key. Was it that? Was it reverse migration? It's reference. Is it something like reference? Yeah, I think it was actually that. Add user ref. I think this is what I did last night. So add user ref to products. So this will, okay, so this will create a user ID colon and an appropriate index. So add reference user foreign key through. Also generator accept the type as reference also available as belong to, for instance. So I think that's what I did, but so if I do, where is it? If I do that, add I should add, and I think I did it last night, but add contract reference is not add contract reference. It was actually add customer reference to contract, and so it should add the ID, the user ID. Okay. So, and I think I did it. Add contract ref. It's not add customer ref. This is what I did last night. And so this was actually good. So I had a customer ref to contract. Customer ref. Add user. Okay. Okay, so this is what, oh, it's actually not remove, it's actually generate. And it's a very, very simple thing, but I'm struggling with it. And I'm always, sometimes it gets a little bit more complicated with like many-to-many association and the through and everything, so I get confused sometimes. But this one is easy, but still I still get confused. So I guess I'm not practicing it enough, and also it's been a long time. So yeah, so this one should add to the contract a customer ID and saying that it is a foreign key. So if I do that, I was probably, because I think that comment I run it the first time. This is the one I run the first time, and after that I change it to add contract ref to customer. So yeah, so let's do that, and let's actually let's migrate that, write db migrate. So I should, write db migrate, should do that. And after that, I should be able to see customer ID into the contract. So if I look at, okay, so I have a customer ID here. So now we're good. And now getting back to this one, I actually don't need that. So getting back to that, I should say a contract belong to a customer. Is that right? A contract belong to a customer. I'm still confused. So I have the ID of the author here. So let's say that this is my contract and this is my customer. So on my contract, I should say a contract belongs to a customer. Yes. So I should be able to do that here. I'm actually going to close that. I'm actually going to. Do I need something else? Like, no, it should be fine. Okay. So I'm actually going to not that, but that, and probably that. I just want to keep it. So now I have everything. So if I try to run the server, so okay. So I run the server HTTP semicolon localhost. Okay. So I think there is nothing in the database. I'm not sure. Let's see. I think I delete it all the time. Oh, there is actually a customer already. Delete. And no, it's actually delete, and it's actually a contract. Okay, so now everything should be empty. If I go to the contract, there's nothing. Alright, and if I go to the customer, there is nothing. So I'm gonna add a customer. I'm gonna just add a customer. Let's say that the customer is RHP Paris, and this is a zip code of Paris. Alright, customer get created. That's fine. So now let's try to add a contract. New contract with customer. No, I mean without it first. I should be able to do it without. And yeah, I didn't want to do that. And blah blah blah. No customer. Alright. Oh, I cannot actually. Well, I think there is something. Well, let's do it with a customer then. I think there is a thing we can do to like have like a fake value here, not really a fake value, a default value. So now, if I do that, oh, an author. It's not really an author, man. It's actually a contract, no, a customer. Okay, so, and I think there is a way to make this false, like not false, but to sort of deactivate the fact that you don't want to belongs to, oh, there is something here. Oh, okay, no, nothing. I think there is like an option to, I'm not really sure, but let's try. Okay, so let's see that. Okay, so let's do a contract with customer. Okay, we do that. Customer must exist. Well, he has been selected. So why are you saying that the customer doesn't exist? Alright, so okay, the customer ID is not permitted. It's probably into the controller. It's actually, I don't know why this is open. So this one, yeah, okay. So I'm gonna do like I did last night. I'm actually going to hand it here. And I'm gonna add the customer ID. Man, this feels so weird to me because I feel like I'm relearning everything I've learned on Rails. Sort of, kind of. Okay, contract with customer. Okay. Okay. So now, let's see. What has been sent was the ID of the. No, this is not what. The customer ID has been sent. Alright. So I should. If I do the show. Okay, so now if I do the show, if I modify the show, I should be able to see the customer. Views, where are those views? Where are they? Here we go. So if I do the same thing here, I do that, I should be able to do customer here, and I should be able to do that, customer name, contract. Okay, so now it should be able to show. Alright, we got it right this time. We got it right, and I'm so happy. Damn. Okay, so that's fine. That's actually working, and I'm pretty happy now. So I was right. It feels so good. I was right on the first time. Like I was like, oh man, I'm recording myself, and I'm not even capable of doing a basic association. But I'm still not capable of. I mean, it's not that I'm not capable of, but I still have. I'm still struggling with it. Okay, so now I'm good. I'm gonna commit, I think, because there is no, like, what should I add? Maybe here I should add some stuff, but I don't know. What should I do next? I had a customer, I had everything. I should probably, like, yeah, I will do. I have a customer, I have a contract, I'm able to show the contract. Yeah, so let's commit that way. Get status. I think there is like, I'm not gonna commit right away. Yeah, I'm gonna commit, but I'm just gonna like change that because I think there is a way to like put an option like a default value. Value, blah blah blah. Whoa. Just want to have a default. Oh, option please select. Our prompt. I think that this is it. I think this is it. From true, blah blah blah. Alright, let's try again. Rails S. And I'm just gonna check the HTML code. Okay. So here's my contract. I want to create a new okay. So if I go into the HTML code, okay. So I don't need this, and I just want to go there. Come on. So select, okay. Fine. Value 5, okay. So if I do that, I should have an error here. Yes, that's right. Okay, I think I'm right. I'm fine with that. So I'm just gonna add everything like, let's see, status. Okay, so git add everything, and git commit. I think it was V. I'm doing it the way my mentor told me to do it. So insert, and this is basically links, how to say, links contract to a customer, or links a customer to a contract? Good question, Damien. This is actually linking contract and a customer for sure, but a contract belongs to a customer. So it's linking a contract, links a contract to a customer, because a contract belongs to a customer. Am I right? Damn. Yes. Yeah. I should probably or maybe adds, maybe technically, I mean, yeah, I probably do that, but I will add like, can I, okay, I would say, I think adds customer ID to contracts. Is that right? Schema. Yeah, customer ID to contracts table. To the contracts table. Alright. I can do that, I think. So this should be fine. Okay, commit. And I'm gonna do a push version master. So now I'm probably going to like make it a little bit nicer, because now it's just a Rails template like CSS and HTML. So I'm just gonna add like some good stuff to make it a little bit nicer, to make the website a little bit nicer. I don't really remember how to do it. I think there is a gem. Let's go on GitHub to do how I did it right with this project. There is so many tabs open. Okay. Where is it? Repository. Show more. I don't remember which one. Probably not that. It was probably the last one without like doing API stuff. Was probably that, I think. Front-end pasta, or maybe this one actually. Let's see. So I think in the gem file I use a couple of gems. Yeah, it was actually that. So I use that and that and that. Okay. So let's see. Gems bootstrap. Okay. Well, I don't know why is it. Oh. It's like. Is it the one? Yeah, I think this is the one. So 413, now we 431, okay. And what was the previous one? I mean, the other one. SAS. Official SAS port for, okay. So that one. Three to drop right into SAS port application. But I don't really know the difference, to be honest. I think it was a Ruby on Rails. Let's go on the Bootstrap website. I think there are in the fourth version, but yeah, 4.3. Alright, so 4.3. Okay, so let's use that one. So on my gem file, I'm gonna close everything. Gem file, I'm gonna add this bootstrap. Okay, I don't know what this is. I'm gonna do a bundle. Okay, ensure that. Okay, so I will need that as well. So I think that 1, 2, is that right? Sprocket Rails. I think I need to ensure gem. Asset pipeline, blah blah blah. Alternatively, installation. Well, is it the only one? Looks like it. Sprocket rails, and why here it's like they probably change it. So let's do that. And let's do bundle install and restart your server. Okay. What's that? What's going on? What the hell? Okay. Question. Bundle install. What do you mean? Yeah, I mean, what's going on with that? I should be able to do a bundle, right? It's time for alright. Because I've been doing some stuff with bundle, and I hope this hasn't modified my configuration or something, because that's gonna be a real problem. Look, man, unfortunately, unexpectedly, what occurred, and bundle cannot. Man, I just want to like update my stuff. Like, what are you talking about? Oh my goodness. Oh man. What did I do? Because I've been running a command, I think it was. Yeah. Oh my god. For example, to use me when. Let's see if I do that. Because I've been doing some stuff in order to set. Alright. Alright. So if I do that, and now I do that. What? You're replacing which is currently. Okay. So this is actually change some stuff. I think. So now I guess I should be able to do that. My god. Oh man. What did I run into? Is there like a default stuff? Like bundle config. Clean, is it a reset or something? Like I should be able to do that. Oh my goodness. Oh, maybe. No, shouldn't be. Shouldn't be that. Man. What did I do? Config global